If you're feeling financially strained and anxious about money, this video is meant for you. Experiencing financial hardship doesn't indicate that you're irresponsible with your finances. It simply suggests that you haven't learned the rules. Today, we're embarking on a financial reset, starting fresh with our money. There's no exaggeration and no schemes for instant wealth here. Just straightforward methods that genuinely produce results. The primary principle of a financial reset is complete honesty. Many individuals shy away from their financial situation due to feelings of shame. They often overlook bank apps and financial statements. However, money increases in transparency when we face it, not when we ignore it. Begin by documenting your assets and debts. Focus on reality rather than what you wish for. This approach is not about judgment, it's about taking control. You cannot resolve what you choose to ignore. The essential next step is to halt any bleeding. If finances are tight, investing, including cryptocurrency and side gigs, should not come first. Instead, focus on survival and achieving stability. Identify where money is slipping away each month: food deliveries, dormant subscriptions, spontaneous purchases, and buy now pay later plans. Temporarily pause all non-essential expenses. Remember, this is a recovery phase, not a form of punishment. Now, create a survival budget, not a flawless one. Your finances have three primary functions: housing, food, and transportation. All other expenses take a backseat for now. Your objective is straightforward: spend less than you earn. Even reducing your spending by $10 is a step forward. That difference is where your empowerment begins. Stability should be your priority before pursuing growth. Before investing or aggressively paying off debt, establish a small emergency fund, just $1,000. Not 6 months' worth, not $10,000. This fund stops emergencies from turning into debt. Without a financial cushion, every challenge becomes a crisis. This is why many people remain financially strained, despite their hard work. Start by reassessing your perspective on debt. While not all debt is harmful, excessive debt can lead to significant issues. Immediately stop borrowing for lifestyle-related expenses. A proven strategy to manage debt is the snowball method. This method gathers strength over time, resembling a snowball rolling downhill. Begin by organizing your debts from the smallest to the largest. Keep making minimum payments on all debts, but focus any extra funds on the smallest debt first. After that debt is settled, transfer the money you were using to the next smallest debt and continue this cycle. This strategy is effective because quickly eliminating smaller debts gives you a sense of achievement and boosts your confidence. Each debt cleared opens up more funds for the next one, creating strong momentum towards complete debt freedom. Now, focus on automating sound decisions. Willpower often fails. Established systems are dependable. Set up automated payments for bills, savings, and debts. Keep emotions out of your financial choices. Wealthy individuals depend on systems rather than just discipline. You can do the same, regardless of your income level. First, achieve financial stability, then shift your attention to boosting your income. Earning more while maintaining poor habits can lead to greater difficulties. Once you have control over your spending, work on increasing your income. Request raises, acquire valuable skills, and gradually build your income in a sustainable way. A financial reset emphasizes direction over speed. To avoid chaos, establishing rules is essential. If you can't afford to buy an item twice, skip it. If it exceeds your budget, the answer is no. When debt increases, your lifestyle must remain stagnant. Rules help eliminate emotions and safeguard your progress. Being financially challenged is not who you are, it's merely where you are now. Money disregards your history and focuses only on your next decision. Motivation isn't what you require, a reset is essential. Begin with small steps and maintain consistency. This is the pathway for those struggling financially to achieve stability, and for the stable to build wealth. Feeling overwhelmed can feel unmanageable at times. However, remember that every journey starts with a single step. Acknowledge your feelings and the weight they carry. As you begin this financial reset, celebrate every small success. Each victory leads to lasting transformation. Reach out to friends, family, or financial communities for support. Accountability can change your perspective and lessen the burdens you carry alone. You are not isolated, many share similar struggles and ambitions. Building this network can empower your quest for a richer life. It's time to reclaim your financial story and move past feelings of defeat. Concentrate on your present actions rather than what brought you here. Analyze your spending habits and take charge of every financial choice, no matter how minor. Establish regular check-ins with your budget, either daily or weekly, to keep yourself accountable. This consistent practice reinforces discipline and offers clarity, reshaping how you view your finances. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, as these achievements lay the groundwork for your future. Financial wellness is a journey filled with self-discovery, resilience, and empowerment. Keep in mind that achieving financial stability goes beyond mere numbers. It involves understanding your values and desires. Use this chance to redefine your relationship with money. Reflect on your spending patterns. What truly brings you joy? Pinpoint areas where you can cut costs without compromising your quality of life. Consider cooking at home instead of eating out or rediscover low-cost hobbies. Each thoughtful decision you make strengthens your dedication to this reset. The goal is to build a life that feels secure and empowering, leaving behind the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Even minor adjustments in your day-to-day habits can yield significant results over time. Take a moment to imagine your desired future, free from financial worries. This vision will guide you along your path. Above all, practice patience. Change takes time, but each step brings you closer to the financial freedom you seek. Reflect on what financial security means to you. Write down your reasons for undertaking this reset, be it providing for your family, saving for a dream, or simply enjoying peace of mind. Visualizing your goals can bolster your commitment, helping you stay focused despite challenges. Regularly revisit these reasons. They serve as motivation in moments of temptation, helping you adhere to your plan and prioritize your values. By adopting these strategies, you set out on a journey that alters both your financial outlook and your relationship with money. Each step forward nurtures a mindset of abundance and resilience, demonstrating that financial stability is attainable. Remember, the road to wealth starts with a reset, and you possess the power to shape your future. If you found this content useful, Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more strategies to manage your money. Activate the notification bell so you never miss a video, and let's take control of your finances together.